Hey everyone, this is Sid from the world famous Brandon Harley-Davidson down here in Brandon. I want to show y'all something pretty cool about this bike. It's a 2018 Bonneville Salt Denim Street Glide Special. I want to show you something about the GPS real quick. I don't know if y'all know, but check this out. So if you're here trying to go to a dealership, you can go to any dealership. I'm going to pick Tampa.
The route is being calculated.
It takes a minute to populate. And then once it does, you can hit go.
Please proceed to the highlighted route.
And it'll take you where you're going. Now, if for some reason you want to change your destination and you don't want to go to Tampa Harley, you want to go somewhere else, say Newport Richey Harley, you can change that. But if you want to stop the GPS from telling you to make a U-turn, you hit this little icon right here, just like that, and then it'll say stop, and then you no longer have to listen to it say make a U-turn here. So hopefully that's helpful for y'all. Hope y'all have a great day. Come check us out down here at Brandon Harley.